maybe you're looking at this and saying, what in the heck does this have to do with diamond painting? Well, let me tell you. I broke my 10 multi-placer off the end of my pen. And I'm trying to attempt to not lose the entire pen because of one broken multi-placer. So I'm going to perform a bit of surgery, and I don't know if it's going to work. I have my trusty cordless screwdriver, which is the only thing I own in this house. And one of my viewers, one of my subscribers, mentioned that I should try and do like a bore hole and then put a bigger drill into that hole and then hopefully get it out. And I don't have any drill, like just plain drill bits, but I was trying to look here, and I think the tiniest thing I have is this little one here. So I'm going to take this out, and let's cross our fingers that we can save a pen. It's Save a Pen Day, babies. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if this works. This is going to be a really quick video. It's either going to work or it's not. Okay, not working. But you know what? I think this might be just too flat of a head. So let's give it one more try with a different head. I don't really have any. Let's just try this pointed one and see if it'll go in. Come on. Okay, that is some hard plastic. Damn it. Give me one more second. I don't think I could fit this in there though. This is just a cheap dollar store, and it's got the tiniest little... I don't want to give up. And I don't really care if I break these, because... Let's see if I can get this into the end. I'll try anything, because that's how I roll. That's not gonna work. Can't I break this? Oh, there we go. Maybe that'll give me a better... Okay, this is dangerous, but I don't care. We'll just be very careful. My husband could see me now, thank goodness he's in bed. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, can't sleep. Let's fix a diamond painting pen. Oh, did I knock it out? Oh, look how wobbly that is. That's not going to be good. Well, it does not seem like it's going to do the trick. Can't I get this in here more? Come on, Dawn. Just get in there. It's still pretty wobbly. I'm getting a hole. I'm just afraid I'm gonna go right through my hand. Caught on camera. I do see a little bit of stuff coming out, but I just don't think it's enough. Why don't I have, I think I have more ends than this. Hang on. Okay, I found those. Let's see if I can get this out now. Sorry for the sound effects. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work, but... No, that's just gonna go everywhere. What if I have this tiny little star one? one. Will it go in there? I think it's the hole's not big enough for it to go in there. Or the hole's too big, I mean. What can I do? Is there a different end on here that might work better? Well, this is a little bit thicker of an end, so let's see if I can break this one off. This is how I do much of the work around my house. I just kind of wing it. Drives my husband nuts, but I get stuff done. Okay, this has got a bigger end on it, so hopefully I can find that hole. Ooh, that's really wobbly. Oh, but it's really going a hole. I mean, there's a bit of a hole there. Now let's see if I can get... Whoa. Now let's see if I can get something teeny in there. Not quite. Maybe. I'm telling you, if there's a will, I am going to get it out. Because I like this pen. Welcome to Dawn's channel, where she performs surgeries on diamond painting supplies. Diamond painting supplies got you down. DawnDoesLife's got you covered. That's too flimsy. Okay, maybe I just need to drill a bit more. Tinier ones of these too. Look at that end. That end looks super pointy. Sometimes my hoarding pays off. Maybe, we'll see. It doesn't really look like it's doing anything. Let's not break this screwdriver. Like, honestly, come on. Like, I feel like if I could just get enough of it out, I could almost chip it out. And you guys are probably all thinking to yourselves, like, when is a pen just not worth it? Let's try one of these little star fancy bits, because they have grooves down far. It doesn't really seem like it's going in very far. You have to be pretty freaking crazy and determined to do this shit. So at the end of this, if I break the pen anyway, it is only a Amazon $15 pen. So I know where I can get more, but it sure would feel good to know how to fix it if you had to. And I didn't think this was going to be a long video. And it's turning out to be a little longer. Okay, I'm going to go with the really skinny one. Jam that in there, because that's how I roll. I think I said that already. Just do whatever it takes to get it done. Right, guys? I mean, how long are these things? Oh, yeah, they're long. So it broke off right at the neck, and that's how far down it can go. Okay. So it's a ways in there. I got a ways to go. I think I just pushed it in further. What? I swear to God, I think I just pushed it in further. Like I... Okay, what about this little guy? It's not pointy enough. I had one of these like really, really skinny ones that I used so much that I turned it into like a point. Where's that one when I need it? I'm not seeing anything about the quality of these things. I'm pretty sure they're like dollar store. At least this is. This is not. So like at any moment it could snap too. I could just feel how not strong they are, but I don't care if it works, because I could just go pick up another one for $1 if I ever need it, which like I said, I think those have been sitting in my drawer for 10 years. You guys, I feel like I'm making progress, but I'm not sure. Like, does that look like progress? Oh. That kind of looks like progress, hey? I'm starting to see the wall in some areas. Ow, that just about went into the end of my finger. Okay, so now I'm just trying to slide it like right along the sides. And I do feel like I'm making progress. Whether or not it's like... Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Okay, you guys, I did it. It took me a while, you saw, but I'm gonna just like bring that up there so you can see there is still a few little bits and pieces on the inside, which I don't think you'll be able to see, but I bent the crap out of this tool and I don't even care. I just basically wrenched it around, and like I said, I'm pretty sure I could get a bit more, but as you can see, another end does fit in there, no problem, and I have my pen back. Yay! So this is how you get a snapped off multi-placer head out of a pen that you want to keep. It takes time. You just gotta dig and then chip and then dig some more. And if you had a really skinny drill, I think that if you could just drill a bore hole in there, it would work much faster. I didn't have anything like that, so I just worked with the tools God gave me. And there you go, broken pen, working pen. Yay! So thanks for hanging out with me. I'm glad I was able to fix that. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up as well. Subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.